In this video, I will show you how to draw a perfect circle like this. Here you see the filled circle, here the outline circle, and here the pattern circle. Now I will show you how to draw this type of circle. First of all, you need to go to insert, then click on shape. Here you will find the oval under basic shape. Just click on it, then press shift and drag. This is actually the filled circle. If you click on it, you can change the color from here, and if you want to outline a circle, you just need to copy and paste it. If I want to outline a circle with no fill, then I have to right click and go to format shape. Here you will find no fill option. Then from line you have to select solid line, and you can increase the width of this line. Here you see the line width increased. Then copy paste another. Now I have another circle. I will fill with pattern. What I have to do, I have to go to fill, then go to pattern fill. Here you will find many pattern option. You have to choose what you like. By following this easy method, you can create a perfect circle in Microsoft Word.